Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Susan. I'm a fashion designer, a model, and a content creator based in Lagos, Nigeria, and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, today's video, guys, we are going to be transforming this mini twist I got a few weeks ago. I've had this twist on for like 3 weeks and I'm not ready to take it out, so I want to transform it into something nice. If you want to see a detailed video of how I got this installed, it's going to be linked up here and in the description box, so please do well to check it out. Okay, so guys, I have had, like I said, I have had this mini twist on for 3 weeks, and after the first 2 weeks I did a wash day routine with this. I'm going to have that video, I think, in my YouTube short, so please do well to check it out. But this is what my scalp is looking like. Not really, it's not dirty, not like really, it's not dirty, but to be safe, I'm going to just clean my scalp with apple cider vinegar just to be safe. I'm transforming them to locks. I'm going to have it on for another 1 week, so I want my hair clean. And I'm using this one with the mother. You know that I talk about apple cider a lot. I'm going to leave links to every video that I have talked about apple cider in the description box. You do well to check it out. It's very good for dealing with dandruff and just keeping your scalp clean. So I'm using a cotton pad. This, by the way, is already mixed with water. It was somewhere here and I added water into it because I use it a lot. This will just help any excess oil, product buildup, whatever I have on my scalp that needs to be clean, it will just come off. So now that we are done with that, I'm going to use my good old rosemary and clove water. This is the real G. If you're not using this, please start using this, please. My clove and rosemary video is going to be linked also in the description box. Please do well to check it out. Okay, I think I'm going to start from the back just to be safe, so that in case I don't finish this night, I can cover it up with the front. So yes, my hair is intact. Guys, look at the growth I have from 3 weeks. This is where the braid starts from, then the twist. So this is all the growth I have from 3 weeks. So while I had this style in, I was also applying my rosemary and clove water every day. Then I washed my hair. So this is it. To begin this hairstyle, I will be applying Shine Organics Curl Shuffle, Curl Delight Curl Sculpting Shuffle to my hair. I'm going to be doing this type with this. This is a bag of kinky twist extension that I used from my Lush Hair runway that I did with them. So when I came back and losing my hair, I did not throw that kinky away. I kept it here and I'm here to use it. I cut it halfway, so this is the end and this is like where I cut it from. Imagine. So if you have not watched that video, I'm going to link it up. It's a vlog. I'm going to link it up here and in the description box, so please do well to check it out. Crochet pin. I'm sure this is going to be as easy as I thought. Okay, so now I've inserted this to the root. It didn't work. It didn't work, guys. It didn't work. I'm going to wrap it around my hair, around the root of my hair. wrap it. I feel like this is too small and it's going to pull my hair. We'll have to take this out. Wow, I never sat this hair since. Is this how I want to do it?
2,000 years later.
Guys, I think I finally figured it out. That's just what it looks like. The crochet, the extension, and what we're going to do is put the crochet in like this. So I will hold that section in place. Please don't wrap too tightly because you don't want to have headache. You want this to be firm enough to look clean, but you don't want it to cause pain or pull your hair out. So now I'm wrapping it around my mini twist and the kinky extension. I will try as much as possible within my power to make this equal. I don't know if that's going to work, but I'll do my best. Already getting to the end. We have completely covered the kinky twist, guys. Like my mini twist, sorry. It's completely covered, even the curly ends. At first, I wanted to leave the curly ends, but I didn't know how that was going to look. And since I'm doing this for the first time, I don't want to have issues. So now what I'm going to do is fold it. Did you guys see? Fold it and wrap around it till you get down. And wrap it completely, and I just do this. This is what it looks like. I love it already, and it's not tight, guys. Can you see? It's not tight. So when you're doing yours, please make sure that it's not tight. You don't want to strain your hair, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and go to the mirror and do the back section. Then when we get to the front, I will come and show you guys, okay? I've been quiet for so long, so long. Finally finished, guys. I like it. I love it. It's quite heavy, but not so heavy like tension on my scalp. No, it's heavy because it's thicker than the mini twists. I'm supposed to put it in hot water and like massage my scalp with hot water, but this is past 2 a.m. and I'm really tired. Honestly, I'm very tired, so I'm just going to leave that hot water situation till tomorrow, which is going to make this hair enter the third day. I'm going to carry this for another 2 weeks. Yes guys, another 2 weeks. So I'll see you guys when I have done the hot water and I beat my face and I look nice. Okay, hi guys, welcome back. This is the finished look. I went ahead to dip it in hot water. I applied some mousse and this is it. I love it. And one thing about this style is the older it gets, the more stylish it looks, the more it becomes finer and looks really nice. I really like it. And funny enough, it's not heavy. It's actually not heavy. The only thing I don't like about it is because of the awkward length. It's not so long and not so short. I can't really pack it in a bun. I can only pack it high up, but I can't pack it in a bun. That's the only thing I don't like about it. So maybe next time I'll get a longer mini twist and be able to do this longer. But besides that, I love it. I love it, like love. And still the same style. I can pack it center parts. I can pack it as a center part because obviously it's same pattern, and I can pack it as a side part anyone I want. So guys, this is it, a video of how I styled my hair using this bandana. It's going to be on my YouTube short or my Instagram, so please do well to check it out. If you're not following me on Instagram, My Instagram handle is the same as my YouTube name, Sue_Ejime. So please do well to check it out. Follow me on Instagram. I post other fun stuff there too. So guys, what do you guys think about this hair? Please let me know in the comment section. Do you like it like I do? Because honestly, I like it. I really like it. Like it's an easy and affordable way to switch my hair. Well, I've taken just a day. It's just that I don't stay alone and I have other things to attend to and work. That's why it took me like 2 days. But personally, if I was alone and I started earlier, like early in the morning, I would have finished it in a day. Trust me, it's not just to wrap the twist. But that's it, guys. Let me know if you like this hair. Let me know if you're going to be trying it out, and if you do, please do well to tag me on Instagram or on YouTube or on TikTok, anywhere you create this hairstyle. Please do well to tag me. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do well to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you are not yet subscribed. Please subscribe to the girls channel, okay, and click on the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys, kisses.